Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted to change your location without actually moving? Well, now you can do it very easily with an amazing software called Pogo Skill. With Pogo Skill, you can freely modify your GPS location on mobile devices and even set custom movement routes. Whether you are using an Android device or playing location-based game like Monster Hunter Now or Pokemon Go, this tool works perfectly. It even comes with a powerful Pokémon GO Joystick feature that makes gameplay smoother and way more fun. Once you click on the description link and install the software, you will see the main dashboard. First thing first, you will notice that you can freely modify your GPS location on your mobile device. To get started, click on the disclaimer button and then hit the start. Now connect your mobile device to your PC using your data cable. After that, your currently location will appear on both your PC and your mobile device. On the top left, you will see a search bar where you can type in your location. On the top right, there are different modes you can use like single spot mode, multi-spot mode, joystick mode and jump teleport mode. We will go through each one by one. Let's start with the basics. If I type my location in the search bar and click the start to modify, you can see my location instantly changes to Paris. Now let's try another location. And there we go. It's super easy to change your location to anywhere in the world like Italy, Japan, Korea and many more. Now let's move on to the single spot mode. With this you can travel from one spot to another just like in real life. Simply select 2 points on the map, choose your settings such as round trips and set the travel speed. It could be walking, cycling, riding and motorcycling. Even you can select the driving speed. Once you hit the start, the journey begins and the software automatically covers the route. You can also pause or stop at any time, so with just a click, you can easily simulate movement between locations. Next, let's look at another feature called multi-spot movement. With this option, you can select multiple points on the map and Pogo Skill will automatically travel through them one by one. Both on your PC and in your game, just choose your spot and set the travel speed and hit the start button and the journey begins. Within seconds, you will see your characters moving across all the spots you selected. Now let's try the joystick mode. This feature is a total game changer. It lets you control your in-game movement freely, just like using a real game controller. And set your speed and then move to the joystick in any direction you want, just like in a real game controller. Finally, we have the jump teleport mode. With this you can pick different location on the map and software will instantly jump from the one spot to another. If you want, you can even jump back to your previous location with a single click. That's it. As you can see, Pogo Skill make it super easy to change your location anywhere in the world and anytime, and explore freely in games or on your device. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out, and I hope you will found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.